Hello friends, welcome to our English short and easy learning class. Today's chapter is circle or loop preceding initial hook. So we know that S can be written both stroke and a small circle, large circle, and also in form of loop. So this initial S, R, SW or ST preceding a straight stroke hooked for R is expressed by writing the circle or loop on the same side as the R hook. That is the right motion. So whenever a circle, the sound of S comes before the initial hook of R, then how to write such words, that we'll see in this class. Usually we write circle SR, SW or ST on the left side. So usually we will write towards the left side as in the words spy. So circle S and spy. Here swipe. So SWIPE, swipe. Then step, T loop, A and P, step. So this is how we write towards the left side. But when the same circle is written towards the right side, it adds R to the consonant. So we write towards the, usually we write left side like this, only for the S. And if we write the same circle on the right side, it adds not only the circle but also the sound of R to the strokes. This we can see in the following words. So pry, spry. So circle S along with the initial hook of R, then I. So spry. Tray. So circle S on the side of the hook. So that includes the circle S and the R hook along with the consonant T. So S-T-R-A-Y, stray. Then crew. So the circle S on the side of the hook. So it adds R to the circle S. So screw. Then eater. Then the large circle. So it is sweeter. So this is how we can add the circle S or the large circle and also the loop to the strokes on the hooked side, that is the R side. When T loop added to R, the hook side, the word becomes utter. And here it is T loop and the hook R. So stutter. So this is for the straight strokes. Now further we'll see how the hook is added along with the circles for the curved strokes. Adding S before other hooked strokes. In the following words, S is written inside the initial hook so that both circle and also the hooks are clearly seen or shown. So when you write the circle S for the initial hooked curves, then it should be written very clearly so that both the circles as well as the hook are clearly seen. So here we have a word offer. So here circle S and fur, suffer, where you can see the hook for the F consonant. Then sever, deceiver, sinner, a circle S and ner, so sinner, prisoner, pre, so hook here prisoner, prisoner. Then the loop, then the hook for the L. So plies, so circle S and plies, supplies, possible, settle, bicycle. Here circle S is written for the L hook. So both the circle as well as the L to be shown, both for the straight stroke as well as for the curved strokes. Further we have the words for full. So evil, civil, prosper, per S and per, prosper, offspring, misery. So this how we can write the circus as well as the hook for the stroke consonants in order to give all the sounds of this circus as well as the hooks. And in the words where stroke L has to be used. The stroke L is written where L hook cannot be clearly shown in the middle of the word. So where there is no possibility or there is no easier joining or there is no visible of L hook, there we have to write the stroke S. So in this word forcible, so forcible, where we have written the L consonant fully. Same way, unsaddle, musical. So in these words, the stroke L has to be written fully. Further, when S is R and is Sgar, so skar and sgar follows TRD, the circle S is written with left motion. So usually we write for the left motion. So tacker, here tasker. So we write here as like this, task. But if you write the same thing with the left motion, so like this with the left motion, it gives the sound of both S as well as the hook R sound. So tasker. Then degree, degree, and this disagree, disagree. And in cases where R hook can be omitted, when skar occurs after PRB. So when there is no possibility of writing the R hook for P and B, there we can omit the hook. So in the words prescribe, prescribe and subscriber. So in these words, we have omitted the R hook for the easier joining. And further, we have the grammar for today are the alternative form of fur on the line is from. Then bur on the line very. There on the line is there or there. And mar above the line is called more, remark, remarked. Same mar on the line is mere or Mr. Nar above the line is nar, on the line is near. Then surprise. So circle is and the side of R hook. Then this P and circle is surprise. Then the loop gives a sound of st. So surprised. Shur through the line is sure. Jar through the line is pleasure. And also we have a phrase. There above the line they are. Hope you like this video and understood today's topic of writing the stroke S for the initial hooks of R and L. Keep practicing. I'll see you in my next class with a new topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.